Team building activities are never just about having fun. They carry the mission of fostering team growth and personal breakthroughs. At TIRAPID, we've always embraced this philosophy: endless learning, boundless expertise, worry-free quality, infinite trust. Every quarter, we organize a variety of team-building activities, from barbecues and gatherings to outdoor adventures, volunteering, and book clubs. Take our technician Jack. He's passionate about mountain climbing and has spent his free time mastering the skills needed to conquer peaks. He often leads us on climbs, and he says, "It's only when you reach the summit that you truly get to enjoy the most breathtaking views." In our team, we also have a group of caring colleagues who regularly look after our little mascot, Cherry, our adorable dog. They make sure she gets her baths and grooming, showing the warmth and kindness that define our team. These moments outside of work have become a part of our team's growth. To me, my colleagues feel like family. We learn together, stay active together, work together, and grow together. I make it a point to personally participate in every activity. It's my way of showing that life and work should complement each other. What's been most inspiring to me is seeing more and more team members actively incorporating the positive habits they've picked up during these activities into their everyday lives. This is what makes our team so special. We're always growing, always moving forward, together.